Have you ever seen rasgullas this pretty? Today, let's make soft, spongy pink and white rasgullas completely at home. First, boil full cream milk. Slowly add diluted vinegar while stirring gently until the milk separates into soft chhena and greenish whey. Strain the chhena, rinse it well with cold water and let the excess water drain. Now knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until completely smooth. This is the secret to soft rasgullas. Divide the chhena into 2 parts, keep one white and color the other pink. Take a little of each, then gently roll them together into smooth marble-style balls. Prepare a boiling syrup with 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of water. Add the rasgullas, cover, and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Watch them puff up beautifully. Let them cool in the syrup. Then serve these soft, juicy pink and white rasgullas. If you love this recipe, save it and try it at home.